Look, they'll be brung now.
Asa siya? Tingnan. Tingnan, halika.
246.
Usap na kami, babalikan niyo na lang tayo na Sabado. Magmamadaling araw na lang.
It's 14 minutes left till check in.
Ito yung sinasabi niyo. Di ba pababa siya?
They knew it.
Saan kaya kami yan? Hindi ko alam eh. Pero yung second
Yung
day
second
kasi
ano namin, camping kasi.
bukas. Magche-check out kami dito.
Magkakasali pa po kayo sa camping.
Oo, tapos magka-camping kami.
Nandito po yung
Ay, bungad lang pala kami, dalawa.
Ito po, dalawa.
Oo, yan lang pala yung sa atin. Ito
Tapos
pala.
ito.
Ako sa...
Ito lang
Oh, ito. Ano pangalan niya? Bilbo.
Hindi po.
Pipin.
Pipin po at saka si Proto.
Proto.
Ay, si Proto.
Si Pipin.
Dito si Bilbo
Asa
yata.
si Bilbo? Dito daw
Mainit
tayo.
yata yung camping area.
Sa ngayon po, pero pag manawalan nun po yung araw. Tsaka doon po yung andun lang po yung susunod.
Okay. Sige, thank you.
Ewan ko na po.
Hey, where do you want to stay? Pipin or Proto? Hey. Hey, what do you want? Ano? Sige na, ikaw check nyo bago si Yolo. Come on, Yolo. Dito.
Wow.
Ito yung extra, may extra na.
May extra bed na dyan, o dyan na sila. Tara, dito tayo.
Na, you can ano. Oh, anong balak mo?
Gusto ko mag-sleep kay mom.
Kasama ka namin doon. Paano si Yolo?
Ay, no.
Hindi, ganito na lang. Doon ka sa ano, tapos pag-sleep din yan. Ano gusto mo dito sa bed?
Yeah.
Pero doon ka maliligo.
Oh.
Doon ka maliligo, doon ka mag-ano, ha?
Chocolate.
Wow.
Ay, hindi
Hey,
gets.
we're Gandalf.
Doon ka maliligo.
Oh.
Doon ka rin
Dyan na kayo, ha?
Ha?
Dyan na kayo. Tara, buhatin muna natin yung mga gamit natin.
Teka, iwan ko na to.
Ayun, hihiga mo na dyan. Uy! Hindi ganyan.
Check ko.
Maiwan ka na dito, ha?
Hindi.
Hey, ito na dito na lang.
Ayun.
Bakit?
Hindi,
Nandun.
bali ganito, Dad. Dito mo bibihis-bihis at pero doon siya matutulog.
Sige.
Kasi sabi ko, hindi pwede na kasama nga si Yolo dito. Hindi naman pwede sa boys si Yolo. Hindi naman nila kasi nasumunod eh.
Sige na, dyan. Magpipi ka na.
Ayun.
Ha?
Ayan, Dad.
And there's a trilogy.
Bakit? Walang TV ron? Okay lang. Dito na lang kayo mamaya. Dito na lang kami.
Ay, may TV dito?
Oo.
Doon pala?
Bakit wala?
Di ko alam.
Imposible wala daw eh.
Wala rin cable, Toby. Walang cable. Ito meron.
Baka ito.
Hindi, ano lang to. Mga movie. Ano? Yan, ang music. Kailang. Walang ano. Sige, okay lang yan. Eh, mas maganda yun, yung walang TV. O, sige na. Magbubuhat na tayo. Tama na yan, ha?
Walang TV dito. Wala na.
Ito. Tara, magbuhat-buhat na tayo.
Si Yolo ay.
Sige, dyan lang siya. magbubuhat na, tama na. Toby, halika na. Magbubuhat tayo. Itigil mo yan.
Oh.
Kasi ano, hindi ka makakapagbuhat.
Alright, I'll give it to him now.
Toby, bitawan mo yan ha. Magbubuhat tayo. Sige, ikaw na lang. Diyan ka na.
Here.
Hey, if you agree,
Hell. Okay.
more, right? 3 more.
Oh man, it's so hot. You know, I just want to be in those rooms right now. Yeah, look at the place. You can tell I sound pretty tired because, you know, of all the long ride. It was a pretty long ride. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna have to have Dad. I'm gonna have to end this video.
Same.
Yeah, we're gonna grill. 6:30 prime time.
Ay, wag. Hindi mo ba nangagat yan? Hindi po. Nangkikis lang yan.
Ano lang, isang daliri lang naman. Babawasan.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you ah.
Po sa akin ganyan yung ano po yung malaki ay yung mabalbon pero hindi po ganyang matulis yung ganyan.
Baka golden retriever.
Hindi.
Pabalbon po siya yung malaki.
Malaki.
Opo.
Same.
Parang
There's a well,
malamute.
but there's no water.
Malaki pero mabalbon po.
But why is there a bucket on the well?
Po rito, baon po to.
Maybe it's because deep and you cannot reach it.
Mabuti nga po. Nailayo ko yung tiyan ko pati yung tiyan ko. Munti
If you want to see where the film was really filmed, go to New Zealand. It was filmed
Mga
there.
gabi-gabing ganyan po yung
Oh.
madalas.
Dito rin.
Baka nag-iba yung mata. Sa Tagaytay po ako.
Tagaytay. Ito mabait to. Sanay
And
sa
yes,
Kung nailis ko po yung tiyan ko. Kung hindi ko nailis.
Wala pang nakashap to so far.
we almost
3 years old siya. Okay, thank you ah.
We'll see.
Ito, iwan na lang namin dito. Sige, salamat.
babalik nila. Kukunin pa nila.
Oo, siyempre. Hindi naman sa atin to. Ikaw na. Ay, pamaypay, mami. Wala tayo.
Ako na lang.
May ano ka dyan. Pwede kang
Say, look at this.
Ay, sige.
How's that kid? Look, carry this. What is this? This is like chicken marinated in barbecue sauce. You know, Mamacita's barbecue. Look, this is a bonfire.
Oh.
This is the sunset. What's this? Butane gas?
Yeah.
Oh, you need to back up, Sabe. Or else it will be like what's the name of the dragon on that movie? Like Toothless or something? No!
Oh.
The Hobbit.
Oh. I don't remember its name.
It will be like that. It will be the fire would be like, oh my. Don't try this at home. Same. For professionals only. Right, Same?
Yeah.
That's a professional. If you really want, wear protective clothing. Look, what's this floating thing called?
It's like, I don't know.
You know what's that blue torch? That is electricity activated torch fire. This one is a butane gas, so blowtorch. We're really doing this in a place situated with wood, so we need to be really careful. We could
And here, look, babe.
Uh,
What's this?
Oh, that's our that's our room.
We'll be here today. We'll be here tomorrow. What does it mean?
We'll be camping.
Good thing only because I wanted to. This is the most wanted one, Bilbo himself. I'm like Gandalf, Save.
Wow! Sorry. Mata ko.
Oi, wear glasses. Don't try this at home. This is the most extreme thing we've ever done on MSS. And it's like our birthday celebration. Where's your cake, by the way?
I have no idea.
Is this not even working anymore? It's hard to. We've been freezing this for days. That means it's fully marinated. And while we're waiting, we have to show you again our room in full screen. And I have another warning for you. Don't you try this toothbrush. I tried this toothbrush and literally bled my gums. Don't. This is a very sharp toothbrush and means you will bleed your gums. And
Thanks for your patience, son.
thank you, Save. And now to make Xavier really patient, sub to the channel.
Tapos hawak ni Toby yung cellphone ni Xavier.
Walang tagnan, mami.
Look, no intense fire, no problem.
Hindi ka nagdala.
Yung chopping board.
Oo.
Do you feel the heat here?
Yun yatang
Sorry you cannot see, but we'll show you. We'll show. We showing our food on. We're showing the dinner on a short. So.
Parang kapag hinati ko.
Oh, so. All right.
Oh, one. Okay. I guess that's the end for this one. Yeah, that's cooking it. As my brother said, the final dish will be revealed in the short as an extra footage. Yeah, a really quiet night here in Valia Vista. Here's Yolo walking around. Alright, bye.